Sound with the Samsung Vacuum Tube Soundbar. The innovative audio bar sound system combines the warm sound of vacuum tubes with the crispness of digital audio to deliver lifelike sound across 12 speaker drivers and the wireless subwoofer. Wirelessly connect the soundbar to your TV and the subwoofer. Smart On allows you to control the soundbar and your TV with one remote. Plus, you can effortlessly stream music from your other devices. The flexible design with built-in positioning sensors optimize the sound pattern for placement on a shelf or for wall mounting. And the sleek, premium metal design pairs well with your TV. The Samsung Vacuum Tube Soundbar. Discover more of the sound you love. Discover warm, natural TV sound with the Samsung Vacuum.